What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with a new BNB miner. And guys, this one, I mean, I think it couldn't be earlier to show you a miner, literally 8 BNB TVL, but well, we'll get into it in a second. Just before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. So guys, this one is called BNB, really cool name actually, kind of catchy because, you know, BNB as a coin and BNB as a B, as you can see on the logo. So it's kind of cool, and it's also kept in this theme, in this topic of bees, of having your own apiary, as you can see, and mining your honey by getting your hives to do the work for you. So yeah, really cool idea actually. It is fully audited, guys, okay? This thing has literally 8 BNB TVL. Look at this, okay? This is the contract ID 8.6 BNB, 2800 BNB value. So of course I'm gonna be putting in some of my own BNB here. I want to see this thing grow, and we will see how it goes. It is audited by Cybercrime Shield, as you can see. Boom, you can check validity using the QR code. Obviously the audit is legitimate. I always check those things. And yeah, the audit is legitimate. They have passed the audit as well with flying colors, so yeah, pretty solid. They also have a full white paper, as you guys can see, which is another thing that isn't that common for those miners. And yeah, long story short, what I think is worth explaining is how it works for the new people, because many of you guys, I know, that like miners, because you've been requesting a lot of videos, you've been requesting multiple projects, but the BNB actually, I thought that it has a chance, specifically because of the audit, because of the community, and because of the fact that they have a nice design, nice UI, which is also something that catches investors, if you think about it, okay, because you want to essentially put your money in something that looks nice as well, which I understand because the design also got me here kinda. So yeah, well, the way it works is you basically put the BNB in, and then you are getting your daily yield, which is around 6% in this case, so it equals 2190% of annual yield. On top of that, you can also invite your friends and get 6% of their investments, which is another cool thing to do. So essentially what you want to do is follow some strategies here in order to get the most profits out of it. So let's say you want to jump in with 3 BNBs, as I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna hit this build hives, I'm gonna confirm the transaction, and once I get the hives here, I'll show you how it works and what I mean. So let's give it a second. Should be all right. Exactly, here it is. So as you guys can see, it shows me that I have 94,366 hives, and with this number of hives I will be generating about 0.16 BNB in daily profit, so that equals around 6%. So essentially what you want to do now is you want to compound this, okay? As you can see, they also have cooldowns here, which are very cool. I'll talk about them in a second. So basically, guys, what you want to do here is compounding, okay? Compounding. So what this means is basically reinvesting your profits. So let's say you mine this 0.16 BNB, you reinvest it. As you can see, you need to do 10 compounds in order to be able to sell it, I believe. So it is also really good. And then you'll be able to sell. So it is also for the sustainability of the project, and it also increases your investment. So instead of 3 BNB initially invested, after 24 hours after compounding, you will have 3.16 BNB invested, right? And that is also inflation. Whenever someone sells their honey, right, or the price of BNB tanks, the number of hives that you can get for your BNB will increase. So it is inflatable, unfortunately. That's the thing with those miners. So what you want to do essentially is follow 6-1, 14-1, or 29-1 strategy. What does it mean? It basically means that you compound for 6 days, and then on day number 7 you take profit, and then do it over again. So compound for 6 days, take profit, and yeah, do it over and over and over again. It helps the sustainability of the project because you are not dumping on the contract. It helps you because you are keeping up with the inflation, and even more, you are increasing your rewards. especially at those early stages of the projects, such as here right now. And yeah, you need to do 10 compounds anyway. There is 12-hour cooldown, so you can compound every 12 hours from what I understand, or sell every 4 hours. And then selling basically means taking out your BNB, so yeah, simple as that. Okay, what else? I'm thinking what else. Yeah, like basically this compounding should increase your daily profit, especially if the project will keep on growing. So as I say, if people start selling or BNB price tanks, it inflates, and then your daily profit will decrease. So that's why you want to compound, so it doesn't decrease and so it even increase. Okay, simple as that. Referrals, that's what I said. They also have, they actually have the strategy explained here. So the best strategy that the team can recommend is to compound for 6 days and harvest 1 day a week. This will increase the user's investment and at the same time increasing the daily yield earnings. This strategy has already been tried and tested by several projects and is proven effective both for the short term and long term. When is the best time? There is no difference technically. Right, but well, if you are early, it is even better for you. Obviously, guys, those projects are high risk, high reward, right? Just wanted to point that out. Always do your own research, always do your own due diligence, okay? Let's have a quick look at their Twitter and what they are posting here. So what I can see, they just got started, 29 followers, so they don't have that many posts. They actually pumped in marketing on BSC Scan, as you can see, which is very, very cool. So yes, they are kicking in the marketing, guys. Launched pretty freshly, 20th of May. So yeah, this thing is brand new. This thing is literally brand new, looks amazing, and it has the potential. 221 members on Telegram. You can go ahead and join the community. People are also just getting started here, so you can integrate with them, have fun, and also talk about the growth potential and other stuff. What do we have here? Is basically a nice tutorial how to get started with the website, how earning works, how compounding works, right? So yeah, you get the explanation here. We set the amount of mandatory reinvest to 10, so before you will be able to claim your reward without any fee, you will need to compound 10 times in a row, and this is really good in keeping the initial growth going. So yeah, in my opinion, pretty fair, and I approve it. Withdrawing, so as you guys can see, the withdrawal process is very easy, but you should be attentive to all information you see on the screen. You cannot withdraw at any time you want because we made our contract whilst resistant. The withdrawal ability regenerates for 4 hours. If you withdraw, you will need to wait for 4 hours until it will be unlocked, and you will need to compound 10 times in a row to withdraw without any fees. Otherwise, you can see that there will be, for example, 80% fee. They also have full white paper here, FAQ, all the links, how project functions, contract overview. You can of course verify it, and marketing campaign, as you can see, guys. Top YouTubers reviews, some She-Link packs that they have, actually really nice banners, so if you want to use them on your website, you can go ahead and do so as well. And yeah, they are basically getting started with the promotions, so if you will be interested in checking them out, guys, I will plug the link down below in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. And that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos coming out soon.